A clash between two cartels was reported in Jiquilpan, Michoacán. 3 people were arrested on Thursday after a clash between two rival cartels, CJNG and Pajaros Sierra. The clash happened in Professor Fajardo Street. Authorities say the 3 individuals, aged 21, 22, and 27, were arrested in possession of firearms. Los Pajaros Sierra was once allied to the CJNG until they launched an attack against Alejandro Garcia, known as El Pelón, and 10 others during a funeral in San Jose de Garcia, Michoacán, in late February. The CJNG accused Ernesto Mascorro Martinez, El Chaparro, of the attacks and have since launched a war against their former allies. Since then, both criminal organizations have been at war. In mid-March, heavy clashes were reported between the two rivals. In Masmitla, 7 were killed, including another Pajaros leader known as Palillo. I will leave you guys with some videos where you can see these guys were not even shooting at each other. They were shooting at the air and houses. Also, no casualties were reported in this clash.
Mamá, para allá.
Sí, se están dando
No, no es en el hospital, es en las aviones, en Fajardo yo. En Fajardo. No, el polvo.
No mames, si es un departamento que vuelta a la casa.